Greetings, everyone! Today, I'll guide you through the Fibr Editor and its impressive features. Let's begin by opening the Fibr Editor. To use the Fibr Editor, you need to have the Fibr Chrome extension installed. You can find this in the Chrome Web Store. Once installed, it enables you to create a campaign and open your website on the Fibr Editor. Let's navigate through the editor. The variant's name is displayed on the top left corner, accompanied by a reload button. You can choose to view your website in either desktop or mobile format. Currently, we're in the desktop version, but by clicking the mobile icon, it switches to the mobile version. This is particularly useful when you need to edit the mobile variant of your website or if you have different versions for mobile and desktop. The editor offers two different modes: Edit and Navigate. The Edit mode is where you make all your changes, while Navigate mode allows you to interact with your website, especially when dealing with pop-ups. In Edit mode, interaction with elements is limited to selection, so switching to Navigate mode is necessary for more interactivity. Let's start editing some elements. For instance, when I click on this text icon, I can choose to edit it manually or generate it with AI. The AI option considers your brand guidelines, website structure, and language style to ensure consistency. You also have the flexibility to change the font size, weight, color, alignment, and other styles, including the text's opacity and visibility. Choose this option to conceal your element and reveal it again, as well as modify the background color. For other CTAs, we offer the capability to track these as events. If you'd like to utilize that CTA as a click tracking event for measuring conversion rates, you can do so by choosing an existing metric or creating a new one. Let's select another div. As you can see, you're free to choose any div available on your site. Another feature I'd like to highlight is the HTML edit feature. Upon selecting a div, the entire HTML of that div becomes visible, allowing your tech team to make complex modifications like adding a new button relocating elements or introducing a completely new element. Let's look at a different kind of case. As you can see, the usual text editing option is absent. That's because this div contains another div and a span. To edit it, I click here, navigate into the child, and select the text I want to edit. Now, if I select this, I gain the ability to edit text, along with the option to generate with AI and other standard functionalities. Let's select an image. Upon clicking this image, you can see that I can adjust the size, change the image by uploading a new one, amend the image URL, alter how the image fits on the website, and even add src sets in certain cases. Let me now introduce you to the Move feature. This feature allows you to move any element across the selected div. You can move it across, select this element, move it to the side, and essentially rearrange any element. However, bear in mind that you're responsible for the alignments you make, and you need to be aware of the changes you're making. You also have the option to resize any selected divs. As demonstrated here, the div size increases, not the text itself. To enlarge the text, you need to select the text, then increase the text size. This requires you to enhance the font size through this option. There's one more feature I'd like to highlight. In some instances, you may have edited only this text and noticed it loads slower than other elements. In such cases, the grouping feature is useful. It allows you to group several elements together, ensuring they load simultaneously. I've now saved these changes, which means all three elements are grouped and will load together on any user's website. Thank you for your time.